Alright, so that's right before this battery charger. I'm going to leave it overnight. We'll see what it's at in the morning. 12.25. There it is. I'm going to connect it to that terminal and that terminal there. Alright, well that didn't go as smoothly as I saw it. Where I was going to place it was on the other side of the battery monitor here. This little thing. I was going to place it on the top, and the bottom is really where I need to be because that's the direct path to the battery. And I couldn't find a good place to put it, so I had to bend that little bracket back so I can put it on the top here. So let me do that now. All right, this is what we got so far. I got my negative here on this terminal here. I had to hammer down that little lip on the whatever you call it, and I got that one right there. That one should be good, right? Is there? No, that's connected all. Yeah, that's connected right to the terminal. Okay, so I got those two here, and I'm planning on mounting this guy to this bar right here with some zip ties, most likely. Because my goal for anything I do is to revert it back to complete stock without any evidence that I did anything. So that's what I try to keep in mind most of the time. So, okay, so let me get this zip tied up and a little tidied up here, and we'll plug it in. All right, that's where I'm mounting it. All right, let me clean up these wires now. I think I'm gonna put some double-sided tape. Now, if I do that, I can't take off the lid. Where can I put this fuse? Can we put it inside there? I don't have enough slack. All right. All right, let me think about this. And I also have a engine block heater warmer thing. So I'm going to put both my cords here. Now, there's a whole phase 2 to this project that is going to get kind of crazy, but we're going to see if it works out. I think I'm going to order the part tonight to make it work. So I'll probably put that in this video too. At least what I find out. Maybe it won't work, but I'll put it at the end anyway. All right, before I go any further, I'm going to plug this in and make sure this actually works. So let's do that. Okay, well, I turned it on. It actually took a second for it to light up, so I thought it might have been broken at first, but it is booting. I think slow flashing red. I wish I didn't put the zip tie right in front of it, but I think slow flashing red is below 75%. So that's interesting. So I'm gonna let this run all night. I'm not gonna wire limit. I'll do it when I get back. I'll just let this run all night and see what it's like. Okay. This still is not on, but okay, that's interesting. We'll have to see if that works. Because it'd be cool if I could just plug in the car and it record forever, right? Wouldn't that work that way? I don't know, maybe. Okay, we're about 12 hours in, 12 hours in, and this thing is still charging. Yeah, slow flashing red means that it's less than 75% charged. I'm going to put a voltmeter on it now to see what we're at now. I mean, thing's been on for freaking 12 hours, 11 hours, and it's still not saying it's completely full. So, I don't know about that. That doesn't make any sense to me. Alright, well, I guess I'll just let it go for another couple hours, and then I'll go take it for a test drive and see what happens. I will say, once I was taking this IBS module out, something fell out of it into the depths of the car. I think it was like a washer or something, but I don't know why it was on there, but yeah, something fell down there into the nether regions. I looked around and I couldn't find what fell. Who knows what it was. Okay, after leaving it charging for another hour, it was blinking red when I just came and did it, but I just reseated, unplugged it and plugged it back in, and now it's showing solid green, so I don't know. I think this battery is just messed up, so I don't think it's the charger's fault. The charger's probably like, why does this thing keep on draining and doing all the things it's doing? So I don't know. I will go and test drive it now to see if my electronic start stop works. Oh my gosh, it worked. Start, stop, ready. Yes. Overnight charging my battery. Got it back. Success. All right, let's see if it turns off. All right, come on. Let's go. We got a red light here, so. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, it turned off. Yay. Yep, turn back on. All right, cool. I don't know why it's saying start, stop, not ready. Oh, because I probably have to go a little bit. All right, well, that's awesome. So now I can just plug it in overnight. Okay, the first test was a success. It did make my start-stop work again, but now when I turn off the car, my dash cam is not going into parking mode. So I think this thing still needs to be charged more. So I'm going to leave it all day again. Maybe I don't know if I'm going to go out again. Maybe 24 hours charging. So I don't know. We'll see. All right, well, this battery is toast. I just charged it twice overnight. 2 nights in a row, I charged it all night. And now, when I park the car, ESS works. Electronic start stops works. But when I park the car, my dash cam only lasts about 30, 60 minutes before the voltage cutoff hits. So, yeah, this battery's done. When I bought the car new and I put that dash cam in like a month afterwards, it would last maybe even up to like 2 days before it hit the voltage cutoff. But now it's hitting it within like 30 or 60 minutes. So, yeah, I think this battery's done. Let me go check what I have the voltage cutoff set to. Let's see if I can tell what I have it set to here. It looks like it's at the top there. What is that? 12.4 volts? And I'm at 12.25. Yeah, those are low cutoffs. I wish there was one higher than that. That'd be nice, but whatever. So some of you might be wondering why I would even put a direct mount battery charger in here if I'm going to replace the battery eventually. And I don't know. It was on sale. It was like $30. And I've never had one before. And I don't know. I thought it'd be a cool project. Plus, if somebody ever uses this as like an RV, tow behind an RV, maybe I'll sell it one day and they'll buy it from me and want to tow it behind an RV. They'll probably want a battery charger on it because they probably won't be driving it as much as the RV. So that might be kind of nice. Plus, I don't know. It's kind of cool. It was cheap. Whatever. Okay, I got it all loomed up, and that's the way it's going to be. I could never find a place to mount this, unfortunately, but yep, that's going to be the end of this video. Now, I did give a teaser to what I'm planning on doing to connect this, and that will be out very shortly. It did actually work out in the end, and even if you don't do what I did, you'll probably want to do something similar, very similar to it, because it looks like it's going to work out very well, especially if you have the cold weather package and the engine block heater, because most people are probably not going to do that, but, maybe you can. Anyways, thanks for watching.